Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I replaced my outdoor tap or faucet. Very easy. The first thing I had to do, of course, was shut off the water, and so I did that with this stop valve here, and I cut the existing copper pipe off, which led to the outside where the tap is actually located. So from there I was able to push the existing pipe out a little bit. It had a bend in it that I can show you here, and this bend came off that pipe up there and went outside. So I was able to push the pipe outside a little bit, and from there I was able to actually cut off the actual tap that was outside. So very easy, actually, I gotta say, just using a 32 tooth blade hacksaw cut through the copper. Very easy. I know that is not recommended for doing copper pipe cutting, but I didn't really want to spend $10 on a tool that I was only going to use once. After I cut the copper pipe, I just used some 220 grit sandpaper I had to get the rough edges off around it. And then we got this Sharkbite fitting up here, and this fitting was about $6-7. Half-inch Sharkbite fitting, pushes onto the existing pipe, so no soldering or anything required. Once I got the old tap out from the outside, I was able to push some Pex tubing through, half-inch blue Pex tubing. And that's currently sitting outside waiting for us to put the new tap on. So I'm going to go outside and get that done, and then we'll come back inside and connect the hose and should be good. Alright, so we are outside here. You can see the PEX tubing. It's fairly rigid, but you can bend it a little bit, and that's what is useful about it. So I was able to get rid of that bend in the basement from the old copper pipe, and we'll just connect it back with PEX. Here's the new Sharkbite faucet that we are going to put on. Again, toolless, so very easy. Just need to push the PEX tubing into the back of it there and secure it to the wall. The old one was not secured to the siding in any way, so I'm going to drill it in there. Should be alright. Very cool little handle there with the sharks on it. Alright, so we've got the new Sharkbite faucet drilled onto the side of the house. Very secure. Gonna make sure it's closed. Don't want to be pouring water out when we turn on the water downstairs. And we're gonna go downstairs and connect the PEX to the old copper pipe and turn the water back on. Alright, back in the basement here. So I'm going to measure, just a little bit extra here because we need to plug it into this fitting here. So about an inch past the end, at least an inch, maybe inch and a half, just to be on the safe side. See what it looks like. Alright, so we got the PEX line connected. Let's go ahead and turn the water back on and hope for the best. And I am not seeing any leaks around here. That is really nice. Completely dry. So yeah, $8 fitting on the half-inch pipe. Or not even, it was like $7 maybe. $8 faucet. And $3 for the tubing. Very quick fix, just plug and play. Let's go outside and turn the tap on. Alright. Beautiful. And that's it. Good luck, everyone.